Welcome back, folks. Always happy to have you stop by. I'm going to start this program out today with this Black & Decker air fry toaster oven I just recently purchased. I've used it several times and I just love it. This is not a review about that, but this does come with the ability to toast, broil, air fry, bake. Has a timer. It comes with this fry, this thing here, which you put the item you want to air fry in. And there's also a drip pan under that, and there's another drip pan all the way down at the bottom here. I like to use a little bit of foil to catch drippings and stuff like that. It makes for easier cleanup. But anyway, this cost about 45 bucks at Walmart. The reason I got this is because I took my oven and range, I guess you'd just call it a range, I took it out of this RV. I hardly ever used it. I'm not going to be cooking a turkey or a whole chicken or a ham or anything like that. And this is enough for me, so I got rid of that other thing taking up a lot of space and added storage. And now when I want to bake something, I just use this. It's good for cupcakes, good for biscuits, just anything that I would need. So anyway, let's get on to our food today. I'm going to use this to air fry some sweet potato fries. They're really good. Stand by. Okay, here's the potato. Here's the potato. We moved our hand across and ended up with some fries. Okay, cut these things up any way you like, folks. I don't measure stuff out. I'm not real particular about it. I'm going to put it in this freezer bag. I'm going to put some olive oil in here. Let's call it a good heavy tablespoonful. And we'll seal this up. And we'll see if I can't get a good coating on all of that. I'm going to speed this up. I would actually do that a little more. And I will do it a little more when we get off camera. But right now, and this is my favorite seasoning. I've been using this for years, and I still don't know if that B-A-D-I-A is pronounced Badia or Badia. But it's Louisiana Cajun seasoning. And I just really love this stuff. It only has 3% of today's salt, and it's a real powerful flavor. And so try to find some of this. It's not expensive either. It usually sells at Walmart for, like under $2. But it's really good stuff. So I'm going to put some of this in there. I'm going to be liberal with it. If you like something a lot, why not? So I'm going to seal this bag back up. I'm going to jiggle this all around in here. Now I'm going to continue to do this for a little while. You can do this at home real easy. Just like I do it at my home real easy. So I'm going to get this all coated real good. Then we're going to put it in that air fryer I showed you. Okay, here we go. This took about 25 minutes to get it to where I liked it, which that might be a little darker than some people like it, but that's the way I like it. So I cooked it for me. Blah, blah, blah. Now let's plate this up. Okay, so look at this. Have our sweet potato fries. I have some turnip greens. You'll notice my 2 jalapenos on there, and I've also put some of the vinegar out of the jalapenos. Some good whole kernel corn, and 2 of my little cornbread cupettes, I call them. Now here we go. This is a good, easy to fix, inexpensive, delicious meal, which is always our goal. So once again, thanks for stopping by. And with that, I'll say bye-bye.